Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford Explorer key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. A well-lit area is also helpful to clearly see the small components. This simple task can be completed quickly, usually in just a few minutes, restoring full functionality to your key fob. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the casing. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly. You'll hear a small click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Be careful not to use excessive force, as the plastic casing can be delicate. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Make sure all the internal components are properly seated before pressing them together. You should hear a satisfying click as the halves snap securely into place. Once reassembled, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure they are working correctly. Your key fob should now be fully functional with its new battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.